Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can verify a Bigo Live account on your Android smartphone. To do so, first of all, just open up your Bigo Live app, and after your app opens up, you'll be on the live page of Bigo Live. Here, go on to Me, which is on the bottom right side of your screen. If you go on to Me, just go on to the settings, which is on the top right side of your screen, and after going on to settings, this kind of screen will appear. Go on to account management, and from here on out, just input your phone to verify account. After you have inputted your phone number, it will send you an OTP or a verification code, and after you input it on your Bigo Live account, your Bigo Live will be verified. You can also bind your email for more security as well. And this is how you can verify a Bigo Live account on your Android smartphone. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.